Hey there! So I'm here to video the Rutledge for you. This is the one in Sweetgrass. This is the one at 1931. That's the address. I think it's, what did we say, 2084? So this is the one, and you're actually looking at the backyard of some properties across the way. So you're not looking directly at a house, which is nice. And this one has that great metal roof on the front. Though it doesn't have double porches, it's got the really cute tin metal roof. So let me take you inside to look around. Look at the big porch right here. Here's the between the 5-foot or the 10-foot setbacks on the side. And then this is your wonderful front porch. This one's really big, this front porch. All right, so I'm gonna go on in. Nice. I love the farmhouse lights. It's gonna be a little noisy because they are doing some cleaning. Ooh. In fact, I'm going to take my shoes off. Actually, no, I'm not. All right, so your stairs come right to the front door. That is the one thing I don't like about this floor plan, unfortunately. But it does have open banister. Look about it. Then you're gonna come and turn into, remember, this is where the master is. So it's right on the front of your house. You're gonna wanna keep some blinds. And you're wanna, you know, close them up in the evening so no one sees you. I love the doors. They're nice big doors. They've got the 6-panel doors. These are enormous door frames. I mean, look at that. Wow. Just enormous. And then your windows are really large. So this room is going to be flooded with some beautiful light in here. Gray carpet, gray paint, white trim, and check out those floors. Again, this is not done, so excuse, it's not all the way caulked or finished painting. They're starting to do a tidy up. Love that shower though. Oh man, I'm walking on her floor. She's gonna be so pissed. Sorry. But it's got the rain head shower and the tile goes all the way up. It's just lovely. This is your water closet. And then here is your master or owner suite closet. All right, back on out. Cultured marble. Shaker style cabinets. Backing back out. This is your coat closet, and it also has your water shut off. It's actually pretty deep, you know, floor-wise. And there's your water shut off. Here's a great little nook or drop center. Granted, there's a door in there, but it'll be a great place to have a table, to be able to drop your stuff, just entry foyer. This right here is your laundry. Beautiful cabinetry. Not cabinetry, sorry, floors. I got distracted by somebody over here talking to. This is where your breaker box is. And here's your half bath. Again, blinds or even like a frosted covering on that. And this also too has the large open doors or with the 6-panel. That's your foyer. Again, not as open as we had talked about. So here we are. Hi there. This is your open floor plan for your bathroom. What is wrong with me? Your kitchen, your dining room space, and your living room space. And you have 2 huge French doors on the back of this property. Huge. Love it. Look at those windows. These ladies are busy. I like how there is like a recessed area in the island. And again, shiplap. You've got a tile backsplash. And the countertop is kind of a gray veining in it. It's quartz. This is not quite as stark white as the cabinets. The cabinets are white. And then here is your pantry. Let's go out back so you can see that. Now, it rained here earlier today, so I may not go all the way through because these ladies are definitely cleaning. I don't want to mess that up for them. But like she said, this is all under the same roof line. It's not additional. So this is your back porch. Really long. I would say it's 8 feet wide. You've got a lot of space. And then you've got space right here for like grass, you know, between, because you can see how the little divot comes right there. But this is where you could fence it off for your yard, for the dogs. And then there's still plenty of space here for you to put the hot tub. You've even got power right there. However, let's look real quick. I don't know if you can tell. Like, you have an easement here, which is awesome. So you have a lot more area on this side. Now, not all of this is yours. You know, somewhere kind of right there where the toilet is at, portable toilet, you'll have a cutoff and come right through here. So you're not going to have all of that because that's actually green space for people to walk all the way through. So you won't be able to fence it all off unless maybe you talk to the HOA. Right over there on the wall is your hot water heater. And here's your gas line. But you do have some separation. So it doesn't, you know, you're definitely going to get some really good light. But I want you to look, you know what? I'm just going to go out here. Who cares? This is the one where she said you're not going to have a lot of parking for yourself. Like, you're going to have parking in the garage. Because look at this. This is not enough. You could park sideways. But that's pretty much it. You're either parking in that garage or you're parking sideways, because you don't have what these guys have over here. See how they're all shorties? Shorties. And they probably gave more to these guys because, remember, they don't have any front street parking. That's that main drag in there. All their company has to park at the end of the street. So they got quite a walk. Whereas you have street parking. All right, let's go back in. And I got to clean off my shoes. Okay, so we're back at the stairwell. Beautiful treads all the way up. Looks like they still have one to paint. Carpet upstairs with an enormous loft space. Could be a second den, playroom, office, hangout, game room. This is the first bedroom. A little narrow, but definitely has a walk-in closet. Let's take a look. Multi-shelves. Right there. Back on out. Hall bath. Let's take a look. Back up just a bit. Sorry. So single sink, but a double vanity. So lots of drawers. Love that. Same beautiful tile. White grout. Comfort level toilet. Deep, deep tub with a surround. Standard shower head. And again, these are still these are 5-panel doors, but not as big and high as they were downstairs. I mean, enormous downstairs. This is also your attic space or access. Here's your linen. And then these probably mirror each other. This is your third bedroom. Nice walk-in closet. Very good size. And your fourth bedroom. It's got a Harry Potter room. Access to the attic. Again, the same deep, deep closet. Extra racks. And you've got some plywood out here to do some storage. All right. So that is the Rutledge in Sweetgrass. The negatives, I would say, is the foyer is not very large. You know, it does have that inset, so you can have like a table, but it's a little bit further away from the door. Plus, the stairs run right almost to the front door. However, you do have the master down, which means you'll be able to enjoy this home a lot more, a lot longer. And then, it's me. But you don't have very much parking in the back. You have street parking though, but in the back, you're in the garage or you're parking to the side. This one doesn't have the double garage. I mean, not double porch. Okay, it does have a double garage. All right, still open floor plan. Huge vaulted ceilings. I mean, just lovely, airy, bright. I mean, look at all these windows. Woo, so pretty. All right, let's go over to Herring Walk.